Imagine waking up to the serene sounds of nature, the distant call of birds, and the gentle rustle of leaves. As the morning breeze flows through open windows, today we delve into the enchanting world of farmhouse getaways, a perfect escape. From the hustle and bustle of city life, join us as we explore some of the most remarkable farmhouse retreats, where tranquility meets luxury, and rustic charm embraces modern comfort. Our journey begins in the rolling hills of Tuscany, Italy, where enchanting farmhouses dot the picturesque landscape. These historic buildings, with their terracotta roofs and open courtyards, offer a unique blend of authenticity and elegance. Imagine wandering through nearby vineyards, sampling exquisite local wines, and savoring rustic Italian cuisine prepared with fresh homegrown ingredients. A Tuscan farmhouse getaway is not merely a retreat, it is an immersion into a lifestyle where time seems to stand still, allowing guests to rediscover the joys of simple yet profound experiences. Traveling west, we find ourselves in the heart of the American Midwest, where charming farmhouses provide a cozy refuge amidst vast open fields and wide, sprawling skies. In states like Wisconsin and Iowa, these farmhouses offer a quintessentially American rural experience. Guests can partake in hands-on activities like cheese making or harvesting seasonal produce, creating a direct connection with the land. Such experiences provide a refreshing break from the digital age, fostering a sense of community and cooperation, and instilling a tangible appreciation for the hard work behind our daily meals. On the other side of the globe, the lush landscapes of New Zealand offer a different kind of farmhouse experience. Here, the farmstays are nestled among breathtaking natural beauty, framed by majestic mountains and serene lakes. New Zealand farmhouses often integrate sustainable practices, offering visitors a unique opportunity to learn about organic farming and environmental conservation. Imagine horseback riding across expansive fields, or simply marveling at a star-filled sky untainted by city lights. These experiences highlight the harmonious relationship between people and nature, encouraging reflection and rejuvenation. Back in Europe, the rural countrysides of France boast farmhouses that are as much about history as they are about indulgence. Many French farmhouses have been lovingly restored, preserving their historical essence while offering modern luxuries. In regions like Provence and Brittany, visitors can explore lavender fields, sample gourmet cheeses, and partake in local festivities. These farmhouses provide an ideal setting for travelers to enjoy a slower pace, indulging in the rich cultural tapestry of French country life. As we conclude our exploration, it becomes evident that farmhouse getaways offer more than just a change of scenery. They provide a pathway to serenity, grounding, and a deeper connection with the world around us. Whether it's the historic charm of Tuscany, the wholesome simplicity of the American Midwest, the natural grandeur of New Zealand, or the elegant allure of French countryside, each farmhouse experience is a unique opportunity to unplug and rediscover joy in life's simple pleasures. So, next time you find yourself yearning for an escape, consider a farmhouse getaway. It promises not just a vacation, but a rejuvenating journey for the mind, body, and soul.